Leo sailed, exploring the unknown. After hours of drifting through the endless ocean, a thick mist surrounded him, and when it cleared, he found himself near a mysterious island. The air felt strange, and the sky shimmered with colors he had never seen before. As he stepped onto the shore, he noticed something unusual. His watch had stopped. The waves moved in slow motion. Birds hung in the air without flapping their wings, and even the wind felt frozen in place. It was as if time itself had vanished. Venturing deeper into the island, Leo discovered a village where people of different eras lived together. Ancient warriors, medieval inventors, and even explorers from the future. They all shared one thing in common. They had arrived at the island but never aged. An old woman approached him and whispered, "This is the island of lost time. Once you enter, time no longer exists. Some choose to stay, while others search for the way out." Determined to return home, Leo searched for clues. He followed glowing symbols carved into the rocks, leading him to a hidden cave with a giant hourglass. Its sand was frozen in midair. Realizing that the only way to escape was to turn time back, Leo carefully tilted the hourglass. As the sand began to flow again, the island trembled, the mist returned, and in a blink, he found himself back in his boat, his watch ticking once more. He looked back, but the island was gone, vanished as quickly as it appeared. The experience left him changed, forever marked by the strange stillness and timeless coexistence he had witnessed. He knew he would never forget the island of lost time, a place where the past, present, and future intertwined in a mesmerizing, timeless dance. He spent the rest of his days studying the unusual properties of time, driven by his unique experience, hoping to unlock the secrets of that strange, timeless place.